Step 1. Start importing the model. First, you need to import your model, either in FBX or AccuRig format, into the program. Step 2. Acquiring Rigbody. Next, click on Rigbody. Make sure to check the Symmetry box so that the rigging is applied symmetrically on all sides of the character. Step 3. On adjusting points. After the points are placed correctly, click on the Rig right-hand button. Then select the number of fingers your character has and press the Continue button. Just like in the video, adjust the points to the character's fingers. Step 4. On rigging the left hand. Once you have finished adjusting the right hand, click on the Rig left hand button. Now adjust the points for the other hand's fingers. Step 5. On finalizing the character. After completing the adjustments, click on the Finalize Character button to see the final result. Step 6. On exporting the rig character. Now it's time to export. In the next video, I'll teach you how to animate the character. Click on the Export button. Select the FBX format. And choose the path where you want to save the file. Make sure to click on Save Occurred to save the rigging data, so that if you need to make changes later, you have the file saved.